Hello everyone, now I'm going to demonstrate my project Raspberry Pi controlled servo motor and a camera mounted on the servo motor. This is the Raspberry Pi Model B board which costs around $35, and to access this Raspberry Pi board to internet I'm using Ethernet cable, where this Ethernet cable is attached to Wi-Fi modem. I can also use Wi-Fi dongle, but the main reason for using Ethernet cable is there are no USB slots empty. One of the USB slot is given to XB and the other USB slot is attached to webcam. So now I'm going to show the connections of servo motor. This is a servo motor and there is a shaft here, and on the shaft I have attached a webcam. It is a Logitech C170 webcam of 5 megapixel resolution. There will be 3 pins for servo motor. The red one is the positive pin, the brown one is the ground, and orange one is the data pin. I attached the data pin to the 12th GPIO pin of Raspberry Pi. This GPIO pin gives the pulse width modulated signal to servo motor, and the positive terminal is attached to the positive polarity of the battery holder, and this battery holder have 3 1.5 volt AA batteries, and the negative terminal of servo goes to the negative terminal of the battery and also to the ground of the GPIO pin. I have also attached the memory card to this, and there is Raspbian OS installed in it. Now I am gonna switch on the Raspberry Pi. And I have also attached one XB to the PC so that I can communicate these two XBs using hyperterminal. I am gonna access Raspberry Pi and run commands of Raspberry Pi on putty.exe. For that I need to give the IP address. I need to give the IP address of Raspberry Pi. I have already seen the IP address in the browser, and now I am giving it. So this connection is getting established, and I am giving the login ID. It is a default ID, that is Pi, and the password is going to be Raspberry. So now I have established the putty to access Raspberry Pi. Now I am going to establish connection between two XBs using hyperterminal. I am giving the connection name as XB. We can give anything. I'm setting a baud rate as 9600 and data bits as 8. So now I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to run the code for servo and camera. The code is written in C++ and I'm going to run it now. b.sh is a file where the program for camera is there, and I'm gonna run it now. And as we need to run two programs at a time, we are gonna put space ampersand so that it runs in the background. So whenever I run this command, there will be a light on the webcam telling that it is on.
Yeah.
So I'm running the program for camera, and for seeing pictures on the browser, I'm gonna use IP address colon 8080 URL, and this is the IP address of Raspberry Pi, and 8080 is a port number, and this is used for seeing the streaming of camera. See, now it is showing it is taking the pictures on the side which it is turned to. And now we need to run ServoMotor. For that, I'm gonna use so it is showing that ServoMotor is ready, and I'm gonna give now commands. So it is showing OK on the hyper terminal, saying that we are ready to run the commands for moving ServoMotor. So I am giving direction B here, which means forward, and it turns turning to the other direction, and camera, you can see the camera streaming turning to the other direction. And now I'm pressing F here, and it is turning, you can see the camera turning to the other direction. So when I give B, it is turning again to the reverse direction. So this is my project demo.